there's only 420 arenas in the United States, more or less. There's probably more now, but it's not millions. It's hundreds of arenas, big 10,000 plus seat arenas. And that's what we aim for. We aim for we're going to go top tier. We're not going to try to serve the whole market going down to the club level. We're going to work at the top tier level. They've got money, they've got knowledge, they've got cachet, and then we can work our way down. It's a kind of a top down approach, which is smart.